Hello, this is a tutorial on how to access Microsoft Office 365. To begin, we will go to the website edu.vaniercollege.qc.ca. Once on that website, you'll be instructed to enter your email address and your password. Your email address is your student number at edu.vaniercollege.qc.ca. For example, if your student number is 1234567, you would enter it like this. Your password is your regular Omnivox password. Once you enter that information, click Sign In and follow the prompts. The first time you sign in, you'll have several prompts to set up your account. Once you have successfully logged into your account, you'll have access to all the Microsoft Office 365 applications, including Word, Outlook, PowerPoint, Teams, and many more. Have fun exploring.